Hi there. Welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. Today we're talking about basic meditation. So, if you've never meditated or you feel that you're not a good meditator or you're not able to sit still, I can't meditate. If you've had any of those thoughts, I encourage you to listen or to watch another video I just made that demystifies meditation. Anyone can meditate. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time discussing all of those things because I already discussed it in the other videos, so that I could just jump right in for the most part to practicing meditation. So, one of the really basic and accessible ways to meditate is by focusing on your breath coming in and out through your nostrils. There are countless ways to meditate. But today we're just going to focus on breathing in and out through the nose. So, when you meditate, you can choose to sit for however long is comfortable for you. So, maybe it's a minute to start with. Maybe you start with 5 minutes and then add some time to that as you progress. The thing about meditation is that you may not feel like you're getting better at it. So, it's always different, and sometimes it feels more natural to me to sit and focus on my breath or whatever I've chosen to focus on. But that is all I need to do, is to focus and redirect my attention when I'm distracted back to my focal point. And then with that, accept that I'm distracted and that it's okay to have to redirect myself however many times I have to redirect myself. So in the end, you end up accepting yourself and having a lot of compassion for yourself, because our brains are meant to think and they're not going to stop. Now, whether or not you are super wrapped up with your thoughts, that is on you. And that literally is why they call meditation a practice. None of us are perfect. We're all just practicing this. So let's practice. All right. So if you want to lay down, you can lay down. You can sit up. You can sit in a chair. You can sit on the floor, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to close your eyes, you don't have to. I think it's helpful to look down or even to focus your gaze softly on something. But if you're not comfortable or you're not in a position or a place to be able to close your eyes, then do whatever you like. But I'm going to tell you to close your eyes softly or look towards the floor, and get comfortable in whatever position you choose. So we'll just practice for a few moments and take in the differences. Okay, so I'm going to say sit, lay, or stand, however you want. Take a deep breath in through the nose on this first one and exhale out of the mouth. Now, we'll just begin to seal the lips and allow the breath to come naturally in and out through the nostrils. So you don't need to force it or do anything special with the breath. Just allow the breath to come in and out through the nostrils. And then before we begin to focus on the nose and the breath coming in and out of the nose, we'll just begin to soften the crown of the head, the ears. Relax your face, your jaw. Let all the skin on your face soften. Relax your shoulders. Swallow and soften through the throat. Now begin to breathe in and out through the nose. And if you find yourself distracted already, you'll just come back to the breath, coming in and out through your nostrils. Breathing in and breathing out. And we'll take just another few moments. And then we'll let go of our attention and our focal point. And we'll gently crack the eyes open. Now, do you feel better already? It was just a couple of moments, just a couple of minutes, right? It's so helpful. Meditation can be life-changing. So I just want to encourage you that anyone can meditate, and so can you. And I will make some more videos to teach you other ways that you can meditate and continue this conversation, because meditation is life-changing. So I hope that encourages you with any thoughts that you have about meditation. If you would like to work with me one-on-one for private meditation instruction, I'd be happy to do that with you. And you can get a hold of me various ways, and those are all in the description. And I want to encourage you to continue to practice this as much as you can throughout your day and get the effects of meditation. Much love to you. Peace.